everybody, I am Jala. How can a person become successful? What makes people so special? How can people manage to solve their problems? Do the answers interest you? Then watch this video. Honestly, some problems don't enable us to be successful, to succeed in life. You encounter such problems that they can make your life miserable. Your life becomes monotonous. Sometimes you can think that all your efforts end in failure. You can have problems in the family, at work, in the society. What provokes these problems? You should learn how they appear, how they arise. If you have a family, you might have problems, arguments with your family over something. Your family can make a decision which you don't agree to. They have own opinions which you don't support. Maybe you don't fulfill their expectations or vice versa. This misunderstanding leads to problems. You should know that everybody in your family has own characters, opinions that you needn't change. Just try to respect them. Try to have mutual understanding. Don't blame them for everything. Sometimes try to see your faults. You probably want to get a lot of attention from your family, but you don't do it yourself. Arguments can't solve your problems. Try to avoid conflicts. They are pointless. Your family, your parents might not be around you forever. Treat them with respect, love, and patience, and your treatment will bring you luck in its turn. You might also have problems at your work. You might complain about your work, about not earning enough. You can't afford hardships. Your salary, your wages don't meet your needs. Furthermore, you can have problems with your boss, with one of your colleagues. Dissatisfaction, failure, all these make your life intolerable, unbearable. All these tick you off. These can result in mental disorder or, something bad. What is the solution to these problems? I recommend you to reveal the reason or reasons. It may be because of you. Don't blame others for everything every time. Try to win the victory over yourself and try to be self-disciplined. Discipline will help you to manage your time effectively and overcome hardships. Discipline will make you feel its powerful influence in every part of your life. It's the road to your success. Avoid conflicts and arguments with the people around you. There can be a bad apple. Besides, force yourself to do everything in time. Force yourself to do your best, to learn, to research sufficiently for yourself, for your future. Don't always beat yourself up over something. Don't bury your head in the sand. Try to find your happiness. Don't be indifferent to your work. Make it enjoyable. Don't look back. Don't regret. It's no use. Go ahead. You can be genius in your own way. The changes and the violence in our society can also have a bad social impact on you. Get rid of bad habits. Your good, polite behavior in the long run can make a happy society. Let's quote you an instance. I asked life, "Why are you so difficult?" Life smiled and said, "You people never appreciate easy things. Difficult doesn't mean impossible. It simply means you have to work hard." Remember, if there are problems, there are solutions as well. As you see, success or failure of your life depends on you. So trust your instincts. Be a psychologist of yourself. Never forget you are special. And I have a question. What kinds of tips can you give others in order to be a successful person? How do you solve your problems? Write your answers in the comments and let me know. I hope to see you again. Take care.